Here I am, 406 285 North Service Road, Mississauga, Ontario. Going in, we have a human decomposition of approximately 3 weeks. We have odor. As you can see, we have contents. Here's where the individual died. You can see the human decomposition on the floor here. And by the looks of it, the sofa. Let me just go around here to the kitchen. Come around from the other side. Oh, here's where the individual died, right here at the threshold of the kitchen. You see the parquet, definitely been breached. Parquet will have to come out. You see that? We have infestation of maggots. You see little critters moving about there. Just pan around, give you an idea. We have extreme odor. We have contents. Not major, but we have contents. Moving around through the family room, living room, what have you. Here we have washroom. You can see here, over here in the bathroom, as we go in, we have blood. Looks like you had maybe a disruption here. Blood with feces and contamination on the floor. Panning around. I would believe this is supposed to be the bedroom. We have contents, contents, contents. And here we go, we have clothing. Minor contents in the closet. And just move that out of the way and see what we got in here. Minor contents in another closet. I want to go back to the kitchen for a minute, see what kind of contents we have in the cupboards. Not too bad. Dishes, etc. to be expected. Frying pans, etc. Not too bad at all. We'll just close this up. Underneath, contents as well. Same here. Fridge. Some food products, not major. Pretty well empty. Pretty much, I guess, concludes the video of this particular site. Bye-bye.